program 2023 of Faculty of Engineering. I want to present the quality improvement using the Six Sigma DMADI method for hand sterilizer products. And this authored by Cynthia Claresta, Ratnamira Yojana, and Rina Vityana from Trisakti of University. This one is research background. Exiclinindo company, mainly called iClean, produce various premium quality products to meet cleaning and sanitation needs. Founded in 2007 and increasing with a distribution network that has reached 29 cities in Indonesia and plans to up to several other large cities. Products produced by Exiclinindo company was include hand sterilizer products, toilet seat sanitizer, Clean Bright Extra, and many more during the COVID-19 pandemic in Indonesia. Exiclinindo company is increasingly well known in Indonesia, especially the Sterobag hand sterilizer. Before we are going to deep to this presentation, what is Six Sigma DMADI method? Six Sigma DMADI is one of the methodologies within Six Sigma that focus on designing or improving process to achieve high quality outcomes that meet customer needs. DMADI stands for D for define, to identify the goals and customer requirements. Next, M, we call measure. Collect data and measure both the current process to meet a customer needs. Next, for E, are explore. To explore various ideas and design solution to meet customer expectation. D is for develop. Develop and test the collected design to ensure it is ready or not for the next implementation. I for implementation. Implementation, the new design or process are ensured it runs effectively or not. The first one is a define phase. At define stage, all data about the company is collected to find problems in a process. Data can be primary or secondary data. Primary data is obtained by conducting in-depth interviews with workers at Exiclinindo company so that the voice of customers of the company's problems can be found. At the table 1 is the VOC from the operator's perspective as the end user who produced the Sterobag hand sterilizer. At this main idea, why are they saying it? The first one are defective bottles that burst when filled with the liquid. Seconds are stickers that are not in the right place and have been attached for a long time. The interview results showed the cause of production defects in Sterobag hand sterilizer. Defective bottles that bulk when filled with the liquid and stickers that were not in place and had been attached for a long time. The problem of the bottles that bulk when filled with liquid must be identified as the leading cause of the problem. And the second problems of workers' desire for a machine to help place the stickers. On this defined page, there is a SIPO tables or supplier input process output customers that define the planning of the process. Supplier input process output, and then the last one is customers. The purpose of using the SIPO diagram is to tell the complete production process. Number 2 are measure phase. The measurement phase is carried out with 2 tools, creating a process flow diagram and a tree of requirements to determine the set goals for process improvement. PFD can be a tool to help describe an actual process so that the location of the problem in a production process can be identified. This table are process flowchart, starting from waiting mixing the all ingredient good needs. Next is filling. Next one is inspection. There is no when on this process there is a defect. Then come back to filling stage. Next to installing bottle caps. Next is inspection 2. The third, label installation. Next on inspection 3, like inspection 1, if there is a defect, there will come back to label installation. Next are product packaging. Next inspection 4. Then delivery and finish. There is a flowchart with a black color. There is a main problem cause. After the problem point is known, look for the key performance indicators for the filling and label installation stage using the requirement tree. The creation of this tree of requirements look at 4 aspects: safety, ergonomy, efficiency, and low cost. In December till February, and the increase in the number of defects was influenced by the number of orders in the label installation process. The problem is indicated by many complaints from employees who have difficulty during the manual attachment process. In addition, there are also complaints from manager because the processing time is relatively high during the label installation process. Because on this month is first month where the COVID-19 begins. Then there is one condition who had oversold on December, January, February. Number 3 are explore phase. The explore phase used in the depth interview method with employees and managers. 5 why is a tool used to help the team find the root of the problem. Why 1 is why is there a convex sterobag and sterilizer bottle? Why 2 why does hot liquids enter the sterobag and sterilizer bottles? Why 3 why are operators in a hurry to pour liquid? Why 4 why does not the operator know the degree of hotness of the liquid to be poured? Why 5 why is there no liquid temperature indicator? In table 3, so that the main problem of the bottle's defects during the filling process is the absence of a temperature indicator for the liquid when it is poured into the bottle. Table 4 is the result of an in-depth interview to find problems in the label installation process. On this table is described why operators had in hurry to place the label, because there is a condition whose oversold during the first month of COVID-19. For design phase, first one, filling process. At the design stage, the first problem is in the filling process. A new filling process design is given with a liquid temperature indicator, so that when the liquid enters the packaging at the right temperature, it does not cause the product rejection. There is a placing on temperatures on the top of the bottles. Next is the label design. The root of the second problem was the label design, which is need to be closer, making difficult for operators to remove and attach the label because the distance of the stickers are too far. Next is work culture design, 5S. Work culture design is one of the things that influence employee performance. Therefore, it is necessary to design a good culture for a company to create optimal performance. That the concept of Seri, Seitan, Seiso, Seiketsu, and Shitsuke 5S from Japan is one method that can build good company habits. This concept was first introduced by Takashi Otsuda on 1994. On bahasa, 5S are called 5R. There is a ringkas, rapi, resik, ruwet, and rajin. phase. The last stage is to carry out the implementation. This stage is carried out to ensure that all processes have been designed are carried out correctly. The method used in the implementation stage is creating a check sheet, standard operating system operating procedure, or called SOP, and the Pokayo method. Pokayo method is one of method like a form like this is to avoid the mistakes of human error. Next are standard operational procedure. For the filling process, SOP is made as work guide for operators after creating a new work design in the filling process. These SOP are used to avoid a human error or error because of the system. The conclusion of this journal, the result of the implementation of this research is decrease in the percentage of the defects in the company. Initially, the percentage of defects reached 8.82%. After implementation, the research result, defects are decreased to 2.97%. This research concludes by discovering the cause of the most significant product defect from exi-cleaning the companies. Is pouring Sterobag hand sterilizer liquid in a hot condition and operators have difficulty installing labels. Maybe there is a question for this presentation. On this filling process, there is a problem because workers are in hurry to pour in the liquid in the bottles, and it causes the bugging bottles because the degrees of the liquid are more than 36 degrees Celsius. The next, label installations, there is a problem because there is an oversold during the first month of COVID-19. So on this process is still manually by using workers. After this, and it's make the workers are in hurry to place the stickers. So that's have much defects on this process. Thank you for attention. I'm sorry if there's misspelling or miswording from me because human not far from problem. So, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.